Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Rindari Kuncoro. I'm from TBID 4th semester. In this video, I'm going to present a research article with title Anxiety in Speaking, What Factor and How to Overcome by Ramli Fitriawati and Angelina Nirmala. There are several points that I will explain, such as research objective, introduction to the material, research methods, finding, and conclusion. The first is research objective. The objective of the research is to investigate student speaking anxiety in English classes in the second semester of Universitas Borneo, Tarakan. And this study also examined the factor that influence student speaking anxiety and the strategies to minimize it based on what the student have experienced. Second, the discussion in this research is about speaking. Speaking is the process of communicating with others through the use of words orally. Learning speaking encourages students to take an active role in the conversation. Many students find it challenging to convey themselves or their ideas in spoken language. The problem is students feel anxious when they want to speak, react to a question, or give a brief speech in English. Third, the researcher using interviews, questionnaire, and observation, which is qualitative methods. And there are 38 participants in this research. Next is finding. The researcher found there are two types of factors that influence student anxiety in speaking. There are internal factor and external factor. Internal factor include lack of self-confidence, lack of motivation, and fear of making mistake. External factor include lack of preparation, limited vocabulary, grammatical error, and classmate disturbance or embarrassment. And here, researchers found there are two techniques that can be applied to reduce anxiety in speaking. The first, we have relaxation. When presenting in the front of the class, students should try to relax their bodies by taking a deep breath and trying to calm down. Anxiety decreases with increasing relaxation. Sit down squarely and securely in your classroom seat and simply take a deep and calm breath before or during the class. Hold it for 5 seconds and then release it. The second strategy for reducing anxiety is preparation. Using improved learning and study technique such as working hard in the class, attempting to get quality lecture notes, and summarizing, practicing presenting in front of the class, and create a list of topics to be covered in the front of the class. Students try to control themselves in this way. According to the researcher, preparation is one of the most effective strategies for reducing speaking anxiety. By being prepared, the student can have everything ready before giving the presentation or speech. At last, we can conclude that the research is success because the researcher found the factor that influence students' speaking anxiety and the strategies that can be applied to overcome it. So that's all of my presentation. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.